Abbiamo finito di fare shopping. This is our shopping for today. This is the bag. Hello guys, hello everyone, you are welcome back to my channel. In case if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Abigirl Fredy. I am going for shopping with my hubby. This is the entrance of the store. So look at his ahead of me. I was just filming, then trying to show you guys the store, the things that they have inside the store. So I was just filming and trying to fish out something that I want. That's all. That is what I was doing, and trying to show you guys some stuff that they have here. We are here at the store. So this is the bag that I am looking for, and I want to use this bag as a present for Luca's mother birthday gift, and I'm going to be choosing two. Then one will go for Luca's sister as a birthday present. So I have bought one before for myself. Then when I was going back home, and I think, no, I need to give Luca parents a present. I've not bought present for them, and I came to this place to do shopping to choose a present for my best friend birthday gift. That is how I came across this black Lujo bag. So I decided to buy them as a present. This is all the bags that they have. Very nice bags, and they have jackets for winter, clothes, wallets, men bed. Anything that you are looking for is inside. That is how I did my shopping in the store. That is Tanjuri store. We bought a Lujo bag, so she just needs to packet the stuff. That is the bag, and the seller was so amazing. Wow, she was really nice, and she did a promo for us. So that is how we bought our stuff. You can see Luca was there, and everything was really great. Guys, we went to Tanjuri to buy some stuff to surprise my mother-in-law. That is bad. Now we are going to do unboxing. Alright, let's open. Commission April. Okay. One. Wow, oh my god, guys, this is the bag that we bought today. So we are opening everything. This is my mother-in-law, Luca's mother. I am Abigirl Fredy. So this is going for Luca's. Let's go for the second
Are you looking for a villains?
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
Are you looking for villains? For recipes? Are you looking for a villains? For hairdressing?
Wow, this is the black bag. And this is the black bag. So this is the second bag. Then what one for Luca's sister? So Mama Africa.
Oh yes. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Abigirl Fredy, subscribe to our YouTube channel today and enjoy the benefit of live training. Get trained on hairdressing today, fixing up nails, training on how to prepare intercontinental and African dishes, cooking, making of drinks, and so many more to be learned from the Abigirl Fredy YouTube channel. Subscribe and click on the notification button and enjoy all our benefits together in one channel for you. Abigirl Fredy, your number one YouTube channel for live gisting and free training on
this wallet is really
Are you looking
beautiful.
for a villa?
Oh my God,
For
it's really
living
beautiful for men.
Abigirl Fredy. Are you looking for a
Your
villa?
wallet,
For a
then you put your things inside. This
Are you
is
looking for a
really,
villa?
really nice.
For
And it has a nice
Abigirl Fredy.
you can see when you put everything, you can see there. This is where you keep everything. Oh, it's for men, guys. This is Amani. So let's go for Friday gift. Friday gift. This is the same wallet, but it's a short one. Short one, so you will take me This was really funny. I am telling my mother-in-law to unbox because I want to unbox the Yamamai stuff. Then there is another bag inside that is Sabioni. I bought some stuff from Sabioni and it was really beautiful. That is my tools for my nails, to file my nails, my tools, and some beads. This bead was so beautiful, so I asked my mother-in-law to try it. It was really nice on her. When my mother-in-law tried the bead, it's like the bead was made for her. It was really, really beautiful. Wow. Then I started unboxing other stuff. That is the perfume that they use as a present. You have to try it. If you like it, then you can order for it. That is my tools for my nails. Anytime that I want to do my gel nails, then I will use those tools. Then guys, oh my God, the brow I bought brow different colors. I bought brow. You can see what will be going on. I can't stop laughing, asking my mother-in-law to unbox brow. She was using it to showcase with me. I bought different colors. That is the brow. That is the brand name is from Yamamai. I always love Yamamai brow. That is the brow and the pounds. I bought the brow, the color of the pounds with the brow. So it was really, really beautiful. I'm sorry that I'm laughing, but it was really, really amazing seeing my mother-in-law, what she's doing with me. I really have fun with her because she's my friend, my very good friend, guys. This woman, she's so amazing. I think that to find a mother-in-law like this, I can't find it twice in life anymore. She's a friend, she's a mother, she's a sister, she's everything to me. We play together, we speak together, we eat together, we do things together, we go for shopping, we go out together. Anything that we are doing, we do it together. I ask her question, she give me advice. She ask me question, I will still give her my opinion. So that is how we look.
This is our shopping for today. This is the best. I feel good. I feel good.
And Moneo?
Then the morning is speed. 1, 2, 3. No, look at 3. Look at 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is for my mommy birthday gift. So I know that I cannot send all this back to her. So I gave her this gift for her birthday. Look at Mr. Robinando. I gave her this gift for her birthday gift.
After everything unboxing, so I just need to show you guys the name of the store. That is the name. Maybe sometimes you guys ask me to tell you the name. So the name is written there. It's Tenjuri. So maybe in case you want to buy anything, you can place
We have
it.
our bag. This is for for Luca's mother. Mama, this is for Luca's mother. This is for me. So let's go.